So this is my creamy Chile Verde. And what I did was I strained it and then blended the seeds, and then you have a nice creamy Chile Verde. I'm going to jar it. Yep. I just wanted to show you this. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't have those little strings, and there's only a minimal amount of the, well, I see a couple strings that might have passed through. I'll take those out as I jar it. And then there's only a minimal amount of seeds. They're kind of chopped up, the seeds. So it makes it nice and creamy. Yeah, I really am. And I'm going to probably simmer it for another, while I'm stirring, for about another, 5 minutes. And then go ahead and pour them in the jars and process them. Okay. Alrighty.